Good morning, all of you. I'm Anil Kumar. Now we are going to learn about analysis of coal. That is the topic in unit number 4, fuel technology, in our syllabus. The objectives of this topic is first one, introduction. Next one, the types of coal analysis, and the third one is the importance of the coal analysis. These are the objectives of the topic. The outcomes of the topic says based on the objectives, we may learn about the quality of the coal. So the objectives will explain how to determine the coal, whether it is a good coal or bad coal. Though, based on that, you may learn about the quality of the coal. Let us entering into the introduction. So you all of you know about coal is one of the solid fuel and also known as it is one of the fossil fuels. It's available in earth crust, the extraction of coal in coal mines. So in India, the coal is available in three forms, that is anthracite, bituminous, lignite. These are the types of coal that are available in India. Anthracite is the coal is also called as hard coal that are available mainly in Jammu and Kashmir, which is having high calorific value. And bituminous coal is available in Maharashtra and Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka, and all other remaining states. This is having low calorific value than the anthracite coal. And the lignite coal is a very low grade coal. So these are the three types of coal available in India. So in order to that, the availability of the coal in coal mines, whether it is a good coal or bad coal, in order to determine that, we are going to analyze it. So that is the today's topic. We are going to analyze the coal in order to determine the quality. So the types of coal analysis are two types, that is proximate analysis and ultimate analysis. The proximate analysis is also called as preliminary analysis. Why? Because in this proximate analysis, we are going to determine the first one is moisture percentage, the second one is volatile matter, and the third one is ash percentage, and the fourth one is fixed carbon. So these are the 4% we are going to determine in proximate analysis. That is why the proximate analysis is also called as a preliminary analysis. And the second type of the coal analysis is called as ultimate analysis. In ultimate analysis, we are going to determine carbon and hydrogen. Second one is nitrogen. The third one is sulfur. Fourth one is ash. And fifth one is oxygen. So that is why the ultimate analysis is also called as element analysis. Why? Because here we are going to determine each individual elements like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen. That is why elemental analysis is also called as a ultimate analysis. That means ultimate analysis is also called as elemental analysis. Move on the first one, proximate analysis. In the proximate analysis, the first one is moisture. How it is determined? Take a 1 gram of finely powdered coal into the crucible, that is introduced into hot air oven, and maintain the temperature 100 degrees to 105 degrees for 1 hour. After that, it is cooled down in a desiccator, and the weight difference between the first crucible and after cooling the crucible, that may be gives us the percentage of the moisture. So understanding the percentage of moisture by this formula, that is called as percentage of moisture is equal to loss of weight. Loss of weight is after cooling the desiccator, we are weighing the crucible, that is called loss in the weight, and weight of the coal taken, that means 1 gram into 100. So that gives the percentage of the moisture. And the second one is volatile matter. Then before going to determine the volatile matter, then what is a volatile matter? Volatile matter is unburnt organic inorganic gases is called as volatile matter. So in order to determine these volatile matter, we take a sample left above the crucible one. That means above we are determining the moisture. The remaining crucible, the left from the moisture, that is called as one, and that means crucible one, that is introduced into the electrical furnace and the maintain temperature to 925 degrees for 7 minutes. So if we maintain this much temperature up to 7 minutes, maybe lost the volatile matter from the coal. So that the formula, the percentage volatile matter, loss of in weight and weight of the coal taken into 100, this formula gives us the volatile matter. And the third one is ash content. So the determination of the ash content, what we left from volatile matter, that is crucible number 2, and heated without lid in a muffler furnace, almost all plus or minus 700 degrees centigrade for 1.5 hours. So that means we are completely burn without lid. So the ash may be left. So the percentage of the uh, ash given by this formula, the percentage of ash is equal to weight of the ash left and divided by weight of the coal taken into 100. So this formula may gives us the percentage of the ash. And the last one is fixed carbon. The fixed carbon can be determined as what we determined above, like moisture, volatile matter, and ash content. We have to add these 3% and subtract into 100, which gives us the fixed carbon. So the formula is the percentage of fixed carbon is equal to 100 minus moisture percentage, um, volatile matter percentage, and ash percentage. We have to subtract my into 100, which gives the fixed carbon. So here then what is the importance of these four proximate analysis in the coal? So that is called the importance of the proximate analysis. So first one, the moisture. So the moisture means what? The water droplets. So if the water droplets are water vapor present in the coal, it may capture the calorific value. That means the latent moisture may be happened, so that the quality of the coal may be decreases, so that lesser moisture content here, the less moisture content, the better quality of the coal as a fuel. That means what? If we having less percentage of moisture in the coal, which is having high calorific value, that means it is a good coal. And the second one is volatile matter. I already told that the volatile matter is unburnt and unburnt, inorganic, organic gases. So that means unburnt means which not gives calorific value, so that the lesser volatile matter is a better rank of the coal. So that we have to maintain, or we have to choose which is having a less volatile matter percentage coal. And the third one is ash. The lower ash content also gives us the better quality of the coal. So and next fourth one is fixed carbon. So this is what we expected from the coal. When we have a high percentage of the fixed carbon percentage, which gives high calorific value, that treated as a good coal. Why? Because we already know about the field definition. In the field definition, fuel is a combusting material, carbon as a main constituent, which is on proper burning, it liberates large amount of heat energy that may be used to may either domestic purpose or industrial purpose. That means what? Carbon as a main constituent. So when we have a highest carbon percentage, that gives high calorific value. So that may be treated as a good coal. So let us conclude the proximate analysis. We have to choose which is having high fixed carbon percentage in the coal is called as a good coal. Thank you very much.